Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Travel Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install Decompose text plugin. Let me tell you first, you can create a new composition. Write something here like I write 3D text. Okay, so this is 3D text. One layer like 3D text. If I write individually, this will take lot of time like this. Just write 3, then just scale it up, then sorry, now if you make a copy, now you should create D, so it's taking much more time in each layer. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you the easiest way to do it. First of all, I join my WhatsApp community. I will be giving the link in the WhatsApp community. So you can see this is here you can see the help as well, you can see the video as well how to use it, and here is the decompose text file. Okay, here you can see the help. If you click on that help, so you can see first of all the first step is copy the plugin, and then you can paste in Windows like this in these files, so in Mac like this. Okay, the second thing, you can do all the instruction with this. Third thing, just copy this. If you copy this, now you can see After Effects, just open file location. Now if you open file location, so what will you have to do is just scripts. When you see scripts, so just double click. Now you are in scripts, so you can search again scripts panels, so you can see script UI panels. Here you can see your other plugins as well, so you can just paste it here, decompose text. Okay, new text. Okay, and if you write the new text, so just open a Windows file, then just calm it down, you can see the decompose text file. Okay, so this is going to be really working for you guys. It is really easy. Just select the layer, and just if you want to like separate the layers in characters, words or lines, so you can do it. Okay, now just I want it like in characters. Okay, so it will create or decompose each letter. Okay, like this. Let me do it. Now you can see it has each line, the three is separated, T E X T, like this, all are separated, and the last it is given this one. Okay, so you can delete it as well. Okay, if you don't want like this, okay, so just what you will have to do is, if you want it in words, so you can click words. Now it will create just two layers. You will see here, you can see 3D is one word and text is second word. Okay, so if you want one line, so you will create, if you have a lot of lines, so you will create just one line. Okay, so this plugin is really helpful for those who are working in 3D space, or who are working with text, so you can change definitely the words. It is really easy to create. Okay, if you made an animation as well, so you will just separate the layer after animation and you can create it. Okay, so please like the video, share it with your friends, and